Good morning. This is a recording for Friday, January 19th. Today I'm going to read another essay from the Book of Awakening by Mark Nepo. It's titled, At the Pace of What is Real. Stop talking, stop thinking, and there is nothing you will not understand. Like most people I know, I struggle with taking too much on, with doing too many things, with moving too fast, with overcommitting, over-planning. I've learned that I must move, quite simply, at the pace of what is real. While the space may vary, life always seems vacant and diminished when I accelerate beyond my capacity to feel what is right before me. It seems we run our lives like trains, speeding along a track laid down by others, going so fast that we pass blurs on by. Then we say we've been there, done that. The truth is that blurring by something is not the same as experiencing it. So no matter how many wonderful opportunities come my way, no matter the importance placed on these things by others who have my best interests at heart, I must somehow find a way to slow down the train that is me, until what I pass by is again seeable, touchable, feelable. Otherwise, I will pass by everything, can put it all on my resume, but will have experienced and lived through nothing. Take a comfortable position, and as always, take a few moments to settle. Settle into your body, your heart, your mind. Settle into this moment, right here, right now. Allow your breath to be nice and natural. See if you can find spaciousness in your breathing, so that all the experiences of the present moment can flow through you as energy that they are. Now take a few moments to consider 3 things that you think you must do today. And now imagine putting 2 of these 3 things down, setting them aside. How does that feel? What physical sensations, thoughts, and emotions does this reflection evoke? And now set the intention to really immerse yourself into the one thing that is left. Take a moment now to visualize, to imagine how you're going to go about tackling this one thing. How does that feel? As you feel into that, I want to read a poem for you that's called The Station. Tucked away in our subconscious is an idyllic vision. We're traveling by train. Out the windows, we drink in the passing scenes of children waving at a crossing, cattle grazing on a distant hillside, row upon row of corn and wheat, flatlands and valleys, mountains and rolling hillsides, and city skylines. But uppermost in our minds is the final destination. On a certain day, we will pull into the station. Bands will be playing and flags waving. Once we get there, our dreams will come true and the pieces of our lives will fit together like a completed jigsaw puzzle. So restlessly we pace the aisles, damning the minutes, waiting, waiting, waiting for the station. When we reach the station, that will be it, we cry. When I am 18, when I buy a new Mercedes-Benz, when I put the last kid through college, when I have paid off the mortgage, when I get a promotion, when I reach retirement, I shall finally live happily ever after. But sooner or later we realize there is no station, no one place to arrive. The true joy of life is the trip. The station is only a dream. It constantly outdistances us. It isn't the burdens of today that drive men mad. It is the regrets over yesterday and the fears of tomorrow. Regret and fear are twin thieves who rob us of today. Regret is reality after the facts. So stop pacing the aisles and counting the miles. Instead, climb more mountains. Eat more ice cream. Go barefoot more often. Swim more rivers. Watch more sunsets. Laugh more. Cry more. Life must be lived as we go along. The station will come soon enough. Now place your hands on your heart and send yourself the energy of loving kindness. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel protected, cared for, at ease. May I know deep, natural peace. And as always, as you gently let go of your practice, scan your body and notice what's going on for you right now, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you really? And as you go through your day today, I invite you to honor the intention you set on this exercise and really immerse yourself in that one thing instead of following an endless to-do list that we all have at the ready. See if you can savor this experience without feeling guilty for not doing all the other things. Yes, it may be challenging. And you may also learn a whole lot about your habitual expectations. As always, enjoy your discoveries. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a lovely day, and I will see you tomorrow.